This episode dives into how to tailor natural skincare to your skin type, then shows simple DIY remedies using pantry ingredients. Viewers will learn how to layer products in the correct order for maximum absorption and how to patch test safely. The video explores organic ingredients like local honey, oats, and botanical oils, explaining their real benefits and limitations. A practical segment demonstrates a quick at-home mask and a weekly routine that minimizes waste while boosting glow. Finally, the host debunks myths about natural ingredients and shares tips for selecting brands that align with clean, minimal formulations.